My name is Rafael Sanchez. I work with Modern Dock and Door Division. I've been with the company about 3 years. As I was growing up as a kid, I just learned how to fix bikes, motorcycles, cars. I love turning wrenches. So I went to Votech. So I was very good at troubleshooting with HVAC, and then it translated into troubleshooting over here, reading the schematics, and then being able to diagnose problems. Dock and doors, we basically deal with commercial garage doors like this, commercial garage openers, levelers, everything that entails with that truck backing up as far as the dock plate going onto the truck and a forklift coming over that truck to locking that truck in so it doesn't move. You want to be good at everything. It's not like you just want to be good at one thing. Everybody works together cohesively, and Mobile Frame makes life so much easier because everything's at the tip of your fingers. Being an employee-owned company goes hand in hand. So if your team does good, you do good. The company does good. We build up the brand. They are continually building warehouses on a phenomenal rate every week. So as a young guy coming into this trade, you have the great chance to make great money at a young age. They're very good here with moving up with management. They do in-house hiring first and then look outwards, so that the potential of growing with this company is very good. I mean, it's no brainer. Like, you want to come on with a team that's growing. Why wouldn't you?